Hi everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to pinch off copper tubing knob. Objectives: at the end of this video, you can be able to Number 1. Pinch off the copper tube using a pinching tool and check for leakage in the tube.
Let us collect the tools and materials required to do this practical. Tube cutter with reamer, 1 number. Small triangular file, 1 number. Pinch off tool, 1 number. Steel rule, 1 number. Soft tubing, 1 by 4 inch, 3 by 8 inch, 1 by 2 inch, 1 roll each. Clean cloth as required. Pinching tools. It is used for sealing or closing the diameter of copper tubes. It consists of 2 bars forming jaws and holes of various sizes and are clamped together using nuts and bolts. Pinching of copper tubing using a pinching tool can be a method of temporarily stopping the flow of a fluid, liquid or gas through the tubing. This can be useful in various situations such as during maintenance or repairs. Procedure: Task 1. Pinch off the copper tube using pinching tool. Step 1. Unroll 1 by 4 inch soft copper tubing so that a 3 inch piece may be cut. Step 2. Measure 3 inch piece long tube using the steel ruler and mark it by nicking the face with a triangular face. Step 3. Cut the copper tube by placing the tubing in V-guide of the cutter. Cutting copper tubing using a tubing cutter is a common and effective method. The V-guide or groove on the cutter provides stability and helps guide the cutting wheel along a straight path. Step 4. Tighten the thumb screw until considerable pressure is applied. Step 5. Revolve cutter slowly around the tubing. Step 6. Seal the end of the tubing coil after cutting off the required piece. Step 7. Ream and file the edges of the tubing. Reaming and filing the edges of copper tubing is an essential step when working with copper pipes to ensure a smooth and clean surface. This helps prevent leaks, facilitates the proper insertion of fittings, and enhances the overall integrity of the plumbing system. Step 8. Repeat the same steps with other sizes using 3 by 8 inches and 1 by 2 inches tube. Step 9. Place copper tube in the pinch-off section of the tool. Apply even pressure by turning screws equally by hand. Step 10. Take a part turn on one screw and then an equal amount on the other. Step 11. The tightening process must carry on until the two blocks are evenly seated. Step 12. The tube is then pinched shut. Step 13. Apply a water and soap solution to the pinched area and any other potential leak points. Look for bubbles, which indicate escaping air and thus a leak.
Recap: in this video, we have discussed how to pinch off the copper tube using a pinching tool.